Being able to help others, it makes me feel proud and well up, especially when you see somebody who's never been able to read and write and now they're able to help their children in school.
I'm 64 years old and I feel ashamed sometimes when my grandson's telling me what to do on my phone. And I just want them to turn around and be able to say, oh, I know how to do that.
Thumb is E, index finger is E.
From the members' point of view, the most popular courses would be sign language, Welsh, some literacy and numeracy. And then for the employers at the moment would be the digital skills.
I'd like to be able to do all sorts on the computer, like the children at home, they're constantly putting PowerPoints up and moving from one thing to another and making posters, and it'd be nice to be able to do things like that.
We've got a gentleman here, he's not very up on technology. We've had a few sessions with him doing things online, so he can now do his pay slips online, he can order his uniform online, and he's actually going to be attending our ICT course so that he can actually get more progressed with online stuff.
I've set up a BSL sign language course for my colleagues in store so that we can put this out to customers in store.
I've been part of the BSL sign language course and I'm finding it very informative, as there's been a lot of customers that I've dealt with on checkout, around the store, especially as a part of the Twilight team. I'm near a lot of antisocial hours, and I find that's where a lot of our more hearing difficulty customers come in. When the store's quieter, it's easier for them to get about. So I think it's definitely beneficial to me having that extra level of communication.
I think it's absolutely brilliant that we got this funding available and that it can encourage other workplaces to take on this course.
For me, I think it's actually huge, because if you actually look at it, a lot of colleagues haven't got the confidence to be able to go to night school or be able to go to college. So the impact of running these courses in store is a massive opportunity, because it brings together the team as one.
There's no limit to what you can learn. There's online courses that we can signpost members to. It's not all about just sitting in a training room and doing a course there. There's other ways that we can get people into learning.
I'd like to see the partnership develop between Usdaw and the colleagues to do more, because it's such a huge opportunity.
I think it works hand in hand between the Wolf Project, Tesco's and Usdaw. All of us working together as a partnership. It benefits the store by upskilling our colleagues. It benefits the union, us all working together, and then obviously it helps the Wolf Project, that the fact that we're actually getting learners.